So, bago tayo magsimula guys, make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and click the notification bell for more updates on my videos. Kung sakaling mag-upload ako at kung interested kayo. And then, subscribe on my YouTube channel as well. And then, click the description below. The links on description below. Paghunos dili muna kayo dahil dadaan muna ang dalagang nagngalang Binibining Yesha. As you can see sa thumbnail and title, alam nyo na we're back on the series hashtag unboxing time ni Binibining Yesha. Dumating na ngayon yung parcel, which is ang He's Into Her collection item. Collection items. I'm speechless right now. Hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. Napablog na naman ako nang wala sa oras. So guys, hindi to mangyayari ng dahil sa DBTAGSEN fam. So, I'm presenting you all DBTAGSEN. Ayan yung mga social medias nila. Check it out. So, last January kasi guys. Last January. Nagpa-contest po sila. Sumali po ako, tas yung kambal ko. Ayan, in-entry ng kambal ko is yung about sa Don Bell kasi biggest fan siya ng Don Bell. And then, kabilang po siya. Actually, nung sumali po siya sa contest, ngayon, naging kabilang na po siya sa DBTAGSEN. So, sumali din po ako. In-entry ko yung Max Payne. I mean, yung Taguro. Ayun guys, so check it out on DBTAGSEN YouTube channel kasi gumawa ako ng music video, and then check it out also on my YouTube channel. Nag-upload na po ako ng lyrics kasi originally kinompose po yan namin ng kambal ko. So guys, ang genius namin, diba? Kasi Taguro to guys, pinaka-biggest fan ko yung Taguro. Thank you so much po talaga for DBTAGSEN fam at sa mga admins rin po. Thank you so much for making this happen kasi matagal ko na po talagang pangarap ang He's Into Her books. Kasi since around November 2019, na fan na po ako ng HIH. So, yes, let's make it happen na. Huwag na natin patagalin. Gawin na natin yung unboxing. So, pasok! Ayan na guys! Ay, bawal pa kita information. Ayan na guys! Hawak-hawak ko na po yung HIH! Nandito na po, DBTAGSEN fam. Thank you so much. By the way, masasabi ko lang din po sa DBTAGSEN, keep on growing, keep on inspiring. Sana maging successful rin kayo at ang Don Bell. Ayan guys, so, excuse me, successful ang Don Bell. Successful na po sila kasi na-featured na ata sa Diaryo. Right? Diaryo, sa Billboard. Yes, tas naging top 1 sila. So, ayun guys, pinaka-top fan rin ng Don Bell. Actually. So, special thanks to Admin Zaira, sa lahat ng admins ng DBTAGSEN. Ayun guys, so, I'm really speechless guys. Sobrang laki ba salamat ko sa kantang yun. Di namin expect may purpose. Kasi dati parang sinasabi namin for fun lang. Ganun. Thank you so much pala sa pag-suggest. Siya kasi nag-suggest sa akin. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-Twitter, so. Sabi ko kasi, why do you i-enter mo yung song namin? Kasi all about Max Ace. Into Her naman, so. Sinulit ko, follow DBTAGSEN, their social medias, description below, tas sa akin na rin para di na ako magsalita. So, link po din YouTube channel ko. Lahat na promotion. So, guys, nandito na po from JNT Express. And actually, guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, magiging model lang ako ng JNT Express. So, guys, hawak-hawak na natin officially sa paperback sila Taguro at Sensui. Wala kong pang thumbnail. Series natin ngayon, meron tayong guest. Makikisama po siya sa pag-unboxing kasi nakaka-excite naman talaga guys. As in, first time namin magkaroon ng ganito. Like, So guys, let's go with the unboxing time. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Thank you so much, DBTAGSEN. Okay, it's already happening. Collector's item siya, guys.
Ay, kapan.
Actually, guys, dati bibiliin sana kami ng premium version.
Wow.
Which is yung mga parang pocket books.
Yes.
But, ang dami nila, so... Ayan, wow! Sariling sikap lang talaga, guys. Tsaka lang. Ito na, guys. For safety. Safety for the alcohol. Safety for alcohol. Favorite series ko rin talaga dito sa YouTube channel ko, an unboxing.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy na kasi bibili na kaming book.
Oh, shit!
Oh my God!
Ayan guys, nakikita nyo na.
Okay. Season, anong season to? 3. Itong 3.
Oh, okay.
Season.
Guys, so hawak-hawak na namin ang... Hawakan mo rin.
Wow!
Biggest fan po kasi guys talaga kami nag-tagsen. Thank you so much for the DBTAGSEN. And unending grateful. Kahit naging ano to eh. Matagal na to, diba? Pero guys, super worth it. Hindi naman kasi big deal kasi
problem.
Oo, ang dami na inasikaso. So, thank you so much po. Ayan, bubuksan na natin. Iingatan natin guys, buksan to.
Kasi baka yung pages.
Yung bubble wrap din for mother.
Yeah.
Thank you so much rin for freebie na bubble wrap.
Wow, yes.
Kada ano kasi namin guys, ang pag-ano sa Shopee, sa Lazada, inaasahan namin yung bubble wrap kasi may naghihintay. Si Mother Rose. So guys, it's actually happening. Officially happening. Magkakaroon na tayo ng collector's item. About for the packaging, well done. Sobrang secured. Thank you so much po.
Gagawin Zaira pa. Yan pa. Securista.
Ooh, ayan na guys. Makikita na.
OMG!
Nakikita niyo na ba guys?
I know.
There's a lot of
Oh my God!
Nakikita ko na yung sign ng LIV! Let's go! Tago! Draw!
Tago.
Sometimes,
Wow!
Okay. Right here, right now, we're holding Kiss Into Her collection items! OMG! Okay, let's go, guys!
Ang ganda!
Ayun na, guys. So, babasahin natin yung message. OMG. Hi, Alisa. Congratulations.
Spelling ng Alisa.
Hi, Alisa. Congratulations. Thank you for joining. We are hoping that you will enjoy reading this book. Stay safe and God bless you. From DBTAGSEN family. With a smiley face. OMG, guys! First time kong manalo sa mga ganito. Hindi ko sa pinapalit sa mga book giveaway. But right now, I'm holding his into her collector's item from LIV.
Wow!
Pinapangarap rin ng lahat ng GGs.
Ang ganda! For real.
For real, guys.
Hindi ko expect ganito pala itsura ng Listen to Her. Makapal siya.
Thank you po! Iingatan po namin to, di ba?
Thank you, fam.
Parang mangyayaring rare dito, ha? Sabi raw ni Alina, mukhang strict na admin raw po sa isa. So guys, feeling Max Payne rin. Sa ganito talagang polo, diba? Diba? Ito nga pinaghirapan ko rin nabilihin. So, back to the unboxing. Ayan guys, so. Speechless pa rin talaga kami. Like, dati na namin pangarap yung po natin for individual sa season 1, season 2, season 3. Grabe talaga guys. Like, pangarap lang po talaga namin to guys. So, I think I'm proud na sabihin kong deserve po namin makuha to. Guys.
It's been a long time since we've been a fan of book. So, why not? Give a chance to have a book. Personal book.
Kung nagpapasalamat po ang DBTAGSEN, thank you so much rin po.
Hello, Mother Don Bell Official.
Thank you so much po. Ayan, message nila.
Aesthetically pleasing. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Let's get it, guys!
My gosh, ang ganda!
Let's go! He's into her! Uy! Ang bigat talaga, guys, legit.
Wow. Di
For
naman siya
promotion.
talaga actually mabigat kahit isang nila.
Or season 3. Season 3 po yan, guys. Ayan o. Sobrang ganda talaga, guys. As in, detalyadong. Tingnan natin kung...
Galing natin, Max.
Wow! Pati, ayan yung bookmark, guys, ng season 3.
Ano yung wow?
Tapos for, season 2.
Babaliktad yan.
Collector's item.
Ayoko. Season 3.
Ayan po, guys. Sa lahat, alam ko ang dami na nag-unboxing ng ganito, but na-amaze ako sobra.
Ganda.
Ayan ang bookmark ng season 2.
Kaya pala sabi nila,
Worth it talaga, guys. Wala kasi lang ang pambili, but I am officially holding it right now. Ayan, hawakan mo rin. And for season 1.
Yan.
Kung dati lang, guys, nanonood lang ako ng vlog ni... Basta vlog niya. Tapos ngayon, hinahawakan ko na rin. Hindi na ako nag-i-imagine. Si Cario, guys. Si Cario
Nasa puso natin, para ang ginagawa.
segment of season 1. Ayan. So, pati paper, ano ng paper? Oh,
Walang book mo.
ay, ito.
Nagbasa na. Charot.
Guys, ang
Bango ng page.
OMG! He's into her collector's item. Hawak-hawak namin sa libro. Ang dating pinapangarap lang namin na libro.
May purpose pala talaga yung song.
Yes, kaya nagawa ata namin yun. Guys, actually talaga sa amin yun na baka isipin niyo sa ibang kantang yun.
No.
But, check it out on description below para para tingnan niyo kung maganda talaga yung kanta. Kasi nagusta ng
Since
DBTAGSEN.
we compose. I mean,
Yes.
last year.
Dito na nagtatapos ang ating unboxing series ng He's Into Her! Ayan, guys. He's Into Her is one of the phenomenal story on Wattpad. Magkakaroon na po siya ng 1 billion reads. In total, itong 3 season. So, alam ko marami pang darating na GG era on the future. And then, sa Don Bell fan rin, hindi mangyayari ang Don Bell kundi dahil kay Ate Maxine.
It's going to be series this April na, guys.
Baka mag-assume.
Assume baka.
Ito na, guys. Thank you so much for He's Into Her. Hinihikayat ko kayo magbasa na rin ng He's Into Her na story. Kasi, guys, sobrang worth it talaga, guys. As in, unique na unique ang story. Sabi nga ni Kuya Robby. Ayan, guys. Ang daming sa aming GG era. Hindi kami magiging GG era dahil sa He's Into Her. Alam natin yung lahat, guys. So, yes. Stan Max and GG now. Sa DBTAGSEN ULIT the family. Thank you so much po talaga for this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Unending thank you. Oh, Timax, we're so proud of you, of your achievements. Sana makabili rin kami ng moonbook dito.
Tapos love it daw.
Okay, guys. So, nagpaplano kami mag-collect ng ano ni Ate Max. So, thank you so much for watching. Kung GG era ka, patuloy lang suporta si Ate Max. Kung Don Bell ka, Don Bell lang talaga hanggang dulo. Kami nila. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and then bili na kayo ng own copy nyo. So, kung meron na naman na stock. And thank you so much for this. He's Into Her books. Mabuhay.
Thank you, Alisa, for guesting me. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alina
Introduce yourself.
Samanpo.
Alina Samanpo. Alisa and Alina twins here. So guys, thank you so much.
Mabasa na ako, guys, season 3.